Now, Kenya's ambition to position itself as a leading manufacturing hub in East Africa have received yet another boost after the Japanese government announced plans to set up a Toyota automobile assembly plant in Dongo Kundu Special Economic Zone. This is in addition to an investment of 58 billion shillings invested in the development of internal infrastructure at the Special Economic Zone.
The Japanese government's decision to set up a Toyota assembly plant at the Dongo Kundu Special Economic Zone is part of a broader strategy to enhance Kenya's industrial capacity and deepening economic ties.
Kenya has been making a lot of efforts to improve the business climate in the country, and we feel that the investment and the business activity of the Japanese companies will contribute to the economy and jobs in this country.
This is a process that we are reviewing to see how we can make progress in the automobile value chain, and we have agreed that we need to continue working together. We signed the MOU. This MOU will provide an opportunity for Japanese investors to work with KIRDI to train, the local manufacturers.
In addition to the automobile plant, the Japanese government plans to enhance skills and expertise of 15 Kenyan students pursuing technology-related courses through internships.
This is the first time we are doing this kind of activity, to have them actually work in a Japanese IT company. And so let's see what happens.
We have also agreed, these already agreements that are already in place, that JICA is going to support the development of the internal infrastructure around Dongo Kundu.
The 58 billion shillings investment by the Japanese International Cooperation Agency is expected to enhance connectivity and support the growth of the Special Economic Zone by constructing water supply systems. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition.